Sekuthathe iminyaka, izimpi ezinkantolo kanye nezinguquko kwezepolitiki, kodwa ekugcineni abashayeli baseGauteng sebekhululekile njengoba ama-eTolls esengasekho. Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi ihhovisi lakhe likuthakasele lokhu.
I want to assure you that we are excited as a province that finally we can convert our roads from being a parking bay to real freeways and smart freeways so that we can expand them and service them. We are further excited that the resolution on e-tolls bring to an end a history that we didn't want to carry beyond the period that we are in.
Ukuze kukhokhelwe isikweletu sokwakhiwa kwama-e-toll esilinganiselwa ku-40 billion wamarandi, uhulumeni uzokhokha u-30%, kanti uMnyango wezezimali uthembise isamba esingango-23.7 billion wamarandi. uStephanie Fick we-Organization Undoing Tax Abuse ukholelwa ukuthi abashayeli bayinqobile lempi njengoba bengasezukukhokhiswa kusukela manje.
It's really a celebration. I think not only as an organization, because the fight started with in the early beginnings of ALTA when it was known as something else, but also for the motorists in Gauteng that said yes to this challenge, was brave to say we will refuse to pay for e-tolls. So yes, indeed, a good day.
Abanama-account e-toll asemthethweni basangawasebenzisa kuma-toll plaza kanye nezinye izinsiza kusebenza okubalwa kuzo ukupaka kwezimoto.